Do you want a quieter interior in your car? Less road noise, less drone? Well, sound dampening is the way to go. This video will have a quick rundown on adding dynamatt to the interior of your car. So the goal is to remove that hollow sounding metal. Basically, the metal of the car that likes to vibrate. Tiles like dynamatt, fat mat, or hush mat all do the same thing. They dampen vibrations, but they don't really dampen sound, and I'll explain more in a little bit. So this method on the chassis sound dampening will vary a little bit from my previous door sound dampening video. You can check that out in the link below. Unlike the doors, the factory carpet already has mass-loaded vinyl attached to it. That mass-loaded vinyl is what blocks the sound. On my car, the factory has that recycled felt cushioning underneath the carpet. That cushioning keeps the vinyl off the metal, and then the vinyl is what actually blocks the sound. So basically, all I have to do here is to add some dynamatt to about 25% of the chassis. To make things a little bit more clear, I'll give an example. This piece of metal represents the chassis, and it's covered in about 25% in dynamatt tiles. A layer of foam, or OEM fabric, separates the metal from the vinyl, and then the mass-loaded vinyl is what actually blocks the sound waves. Even with my crazy side exit race car exhaust, my interior is a lot quieter than it used to be. Oh, and make sure to remember to subscribe. With that out of the way, I'll just show the areas that I hit on my 1992 Chevy Camaro. So there's not much explanation needed here, I'll just show where I put it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this kind of boring video. Please consider supporting me on Patreon and follow me on Instagram.